So let's see this quick demo of Endless Runner 3D game, which I just built Flutter app using Antigravity IDE. And yeah, so here see, I can just run this app and I can move it, my player up and down. I can jump it, even I can move it here and there using itself as a emulator and also real device. So yeah, this game I just built here using Antigravity without writing any codes, using a new model which is Gemini 3.1 Pro. So yeah, let's go to implementation part. So before we start implementation, I'm especially recommend if you first time visit my channel, so go to my channel. So this is my channel .NET Real World Example. Here I can especially recommend, these are the game session actually we just started here. So build a game using Antigravity and that Flutter, right? So those are game actually I just created without writing any code. So especially recommend these are session. And apart from this also, if you want to integrate AI in any application on also front end, back end, if you want to as a full stack developer, as a game development on mobile development, so you can learn many things over here. So yeah, let's moving to implementation without further ado. So let's open Antigravity IDE first. So you can just open it in new window, but I already create a folder, empty folder, so I can directly open it over here. And let me open it. So once you open, now folder is empty, and here they just load your type of what conversation mode, and this is that latest model. So we will just build up our game application using this new model, which is more capable. And in here what I'll do, I can simply provide my requirement. So what game if you want to requirement, so you can just build it, or you can get it from some chat GPT or any other place where you are just comfortable. But yeah, this is my actually requirement, where I just want to build a full stack as a Flutter game, which is a 3D animation engine, right? And this time I am not excluding any dependency, it's only for Flutter dependencies. So this time I'm just allowed to just build a game, uh, any dependencies. Okay, so that's why I just allowed to. And also I just mentioned when the most important part, okay, if project is not available, if not exist, so please create from scratch. So that is important. Okay, so let's start to hit enter so that they can start create a plan, and accordingly they just create a project and all. And once you're done, so we'll come back. So let's hit enter. Okay, now I can see they just completed analysis, and also they just create applications, right? So is if you scroll down over here, so see, they just create a project, and inside this project actually they just build everything whatever that initial level, and also just create all that corresponding files over here. These are the files actually they just created everything. And once you're done, now they are asking to, okay, please run this application using the Flutter run command. And also this is that explanation, complete explanation actually how they are just the build, and what are that image and we are just using, and what are that function we just use. And this is a great document actually they also provided. So yeah, I think we are good now to run this application. So yeah, for that actually what I'll do, I'll just first open my local emulator, and once you open it, then we will try to run it. So let me open my local emulator. So now I just run my emulator in local. So once you run, now we have to go to terminal. So go to any terminal over here, and in here they just suggested this no, command like Flutter run. So basically this command actually run your application in your local emulator. So simply I can just use Flutter run and hit enter. And once you hit enter, I can just open parallelly my emulator. So if it is everything is running or everything is working fine, so definitely it will deployed over here in my local emulator. If it is not, definitely we get some errors, and once you get that error, definitely we can resolve itself this Antigravity IDE. So yeah, let's wait to complete create a package or APK file, and then see what happened. Okay, so I can see over here, if you see closely over here, so yeah, so this has some issue in this file itself. Like, see, this is a game dot file, right, which is they just create inside the lib folder, and which does not type of this local key. Actually, this is not found actually. So yeah, that is fine. So that we have to fix it, because sometime definitely whatever external dependencies also that won't work actually properly. So what I'll do, I can simply just copy everything over here so that they can easily analyze and understand, okay, what is going on, my whatever they have just built, so what is that issue. So here actually we can ask, okay, so yeah, basically I just asked over here, yeah, while running, I'm getting error, please analyze error and fix the issue so that I can easily run my app without any issue. And I just give that, whatever that issues as I guess getting over here. So I can simply ask this and simply I hit enter. So now they have to actually they have actually the capability, so where they can just analyze that issue, and then if required they just analyze, they use itself actually. Flutter has analyze command, so they will try to analyze, and then whatever that issue they will found, so they will fix that issue as well. Now see, that's I just tell, right? So see, Flutter analyze, so this command actually basically in a Flutter they are getting that, what is that issue in this current application and all, and what are the warnings, what are the issues, so everything actually they will get it. And once you get that, so it will be try to resolve itself. So yeah, let's wait to resolve that issue, and then we will run it again. Okay, so I can see over here, if you scroll up and go to that analysis part, so yeah, here that expand. So in here, see, finally they just analyze everything, Flutter analyze, and in the last there is a no issues, only just one warning, right? So there is a nice capability in this IDE itself as well. So if they trying, if you get that issue, so definitely they will fix it, and once you fix it again they will try to analyze, okay, still issues persist or not. So once you're done, now they have just modified itself this three files as well, or that's for the recommendations, right? So if you click on that, you can see what that changes actually have the made. So they just remove this package and add this package, and also is a player controller, also remove this package, right, which is not needed I guess. And that here the visit dot actually test file also they have just created over here, I think for the testing perspective. So I can just simply accept all, right? And once you accept all, also they just provide, that here whatever they have done. So nice document also they just placed over here. And once you're done, now I can just simply use again this terminal to run my application. So simply I can run this application and open it my emulator, and see now what happened right now. Okay, so here I can see finally they just build completely, and also they just create a APK file in my local, and then just try to install directly in my emulator, and here just got deployed. And here now see, yeah, so now I am able to see my application is deployed properly my local emulator, and it's I can run it. So yeah, let's try to run it this game. Okay, and yeah, I think it's not a good look this app, but yeah, game over. And also if it is game over, there is no retry options and all. Okay, so yeah, I think it is not good looking app. They have just built it in rather than previous game which we have just built, right? But yeah, don't worry about that, we can ask to fix this, because they have just tried to use 3D objects, so might be it is not properly rendered. And also yeah, that we can take a screenshot over here. Okay, yeah, I just take a screenshot, and if I just place it over here, and I can ask, okay, so yeah, even here I just giving this prompt. Okay, now I'm able to run this app, but it's not look like as a 3D player and road, as well as like that. So please make a modern look and feels, and also make it a realistic game. even functionality wise also it is not properly up to date. Like, so if I just a game over, so there's a should be button on, like it's a game over along with this button, so that I can restart this game and I can play it again, right? So I think those are things a gap over here. So yeah, that I'm just providing the details so that they can fix. And let's see. So now I can see they just completed over here, and also they just well documented over here. And what is this they fixes? Okay, so neon Sitham authentics, okay, modernize players and opticals, okay, restart functionality. Okay, so these are three things actually they just build it. So yeah, accept all. And once you accept all, let me try to run my application again. So let me first clear that and run it again and see uh, like whatever the changes they have made as per my requirement. And so I can see there is a problem. So I can see here, see there is some problem. That means they are not properly build it. Okay, so yeah, we can ask, okay, there is some issues while running this app, so we have to fix that. They have to fix actually. Yeah, so again we have to follow the same things. Okay, if any issues, so please tell that issues, what are the issues, and also provide that details so that they can easily fix quickly, right? So yeah, let me just copy this complete informations. Okay, and yeah, I am getting, yeah, simply I can ask, okay, I'm getting error, please fix the issue. And let's see. Okay, so if I can see over here, they are saying, okay, they have just fixed that issue. There was some issue with this vector match and canvas draw line, right? So they just fix it. And also they just trying to over here, I can see they're just trying to build this app, actually APK file. So yeah, I think that we are good in this case actually. So they just trying to build app to ensure, okay, it is properly running or not. So yeah, I can just close this and I can run here in our site so that we can ensure, okay, our application is running properly or not. So yeah, let me run this in our side. Okay, so I can see my application actually Flutter run command got successfully. Also create a local app.debug apk file, and it's running now, endless running as 3D. Okay, and if I just start, okay, now see, now the look, see. And also if I just see, okay, if I can jump, I can jump. If I just move it here, okay, so if I just move it here, yeah, so see, I can just move it here and there like this. Wow, that is awesome, right? And if I just, yeah, so see, I can easily play this game nicely, right? So yeah, but still I can see as I asking to that 3D player, but that is not here. That is one disadvantage. But yeah, that actually also we can enhance based our things, right? So but yeah, I can see it is perfectly working fine. And also yeah, it's got refresh, and then if I just start, so again got started, and I can, so yeah, I think that is perfectly fine as per my requirement, right? So I can easily, even I can just fast running as well over here, and then I can jump, even I can go inside. Perfect. So yeah, I think that is pretty much good for this session, right? And you can just build this app, create a apk file and move it to your real device. I'm not going to do that, but because I have done many game actually to like this way, so you can just follow that. But yeah, lastly I'm just telling you how you can do that. So simply you can just use this command to build your apk file, or release apk file, actually not a debug apk file. So as like actually they provide this command, right? So apk file dot build.apk file, so we have to use the release command, that's it. So I can just clear this out. Okay, and you can just use this command, which is just create a apk file using a release mode. Okay, so once you create a release mode apk file, go to that particular directory and move it to your real device and install it. So you can just easily install and you can run it, right? So yeah, this is actually way you can just build the game, and also if you want to enhance, you can just enhance more over here as per your requirement. Okay, but so far actually for demo perspective, I think we are good for to see, okay, how we can build this game without writing any code and all, right, in a Android app or in a iOS app. So see, I have not writing any up line of code, but yeah, that use code actually just build itself based on my requirement. So that is called actually that Antigravity IDE, which can help, in our, coding perspective or building app perspective is nice. Okay. So yeah, that's all for this session. Thank you. Have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.